After testing dozens of MCP servers, there's only one MCP server that I still use for my AI coding agents, and it's the best one on the market, and really, it's the only one that's needed. If there was you could only bring one MCP server to a deserted island, well, I promise you, this is the one I would pick, and its name is GrepMCP. Let's dive right in. Okay, so to add the GrepMCP server, well, here I'm just on the GitHub, but to add it to Claude Code, you're going to open a terminal window. Oh, let me drag that in here. And you're going to type this command. I'll leave it in the description below so you can copy and paste it. It's Claude space MCP space add a flag transport, HTTP grep, and then the link to the GrepMCP. To check that you have it, do Claude MCP list. And then you can see right here, it says it's connected. Also, you could run Claude Code. Do //MCP. You can see right there, grep is connected. So that's what you want to do. Now let's talk about why you want to do it. Okay, so why are we installing this MCP and only using this one MCP? Well, I'll tell you why we use it first. The reason we use it is because it allows us to search across millions of public GitHub repositories and find working code samples for our Claude Code to use. Okay, it doesn't need to go and custom code a component, reinvent the wheel when it's already been done and implemented in production code bases. There's no reason for us to do any guesswork. There's no reason for Claude to do that, right? It should just take the sample and move on, add what it needs to it, and move on, right? Now, why are we only using the GrepMCP? Well, I used to have a bunch of other MCPs in there. Ken had some custom ones, and there's other ones that I've tried just, from external apps, Notion, all these other different ones that you find online. And while I do use them with the AI agents that I make, I'll use Notion or a Google related one, or especially a real estate MCP. I'll use those with the AI agents that I build. But when I'm using a coding agent, I need to keep that context as clear as possible. And the reason for this is, I've been saying it in other videos, but you got to keep the context window down probably below 40%, 50% for sure, but probably like 40%. After that, it kind of starts to get more hallucinations, more lies, more slop, all the things you don't want, right? So we keep it clean, we keep it simple using GrepMCP. And the other thing is, it's not just searching by the feature, so it's searching by the specific code, and that also keeps the bloat down. Because when you're running web searches all the time, right, and it has to go and scan through different web pages and read them, that causes a lot of issues with context bloat. And then in terms of GrepMCP, it's targeting the specific function, like the specific lines of code that you need, whether it's like an Axios thing, whether it's external API integration, whatever it may be, it's going to go and find the exact code that it needs. So it's really helpful, especially working with a lot of this new AI stuff, because it'll go and refer to like Vercel documents itself, like how they implemented things, or, it'll find the company who created the feature that you're trying to implement, right? It'll go and look at all of their repositories and see how their experts have implemented the system, whatever you're trying to integrate, how they've integrated it within other apps, right? And it'll find that, reuse that, tweak it a little for your needs, and I promise your results are just way higher, way cleaner, way better. But yeah, I know it's a short video, it's a quick one. I just wanted to show you how to install GrepMCP because I talk about it in every video I use, and so there might as well be a video on the channel covering it specifically. That's really about all. I'm working on a more in-depth video. This, like I said, a basic one right now, but I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to edit that this week. I got a busy week coming up, so who knows if I'll even be able to get that out. But that's more of a process, like a building automation. So that's coming, but that's going to take me a while to get out. So I wanted to get you out this in the meantime. just to show you guys, keep you up to date on what's going on. So GrepMCP, get it, use it, love it. You won't regret it. It's been Nolan. Peace.